Hi, it's Nadia. Today is all about backpack. There are three major focuses in this video. 1. Introducing the backpack itself. 2. Sharing the packing items, packing methods. And 3. Modeling shots of the backpack on me. About packing, volume of this backpack is 20 liters, similar to this nylon backpack. So, how and what I pack are not limited to this specific backpack only. It's also a decent reference to any 20 liters backpack in similar shapes. I'm going to share 4 different ways of packing. This backpack can be used as an everyday bag, work bag, weekender bag, and carry-on luggage. I also want to share how I keep it clean, stored, and my thoughts, experience about using this backpack. Please stay tuned to the very end. Now, let's get started.
This is a Louis Vuitton Apollo Backpack. Let's see the measurement first. The length is 30 centimeters, height is 40 centimeters, and width is 20 centimeters. This dimension equals to 11.8, 15.7, and 7.8 inches. Volume is 20 liters, around 21 quarts. Exterior is the iconic Louis Vuitton monogram canvas in black and gray contrast. It is called Monogram Eclipse. These beautiful monograms even became the patterns of my holiday cookies last year. Check it out after this video to have fun with some monogram sweets. Now, let's see this bag from different angles. The front, back, right, left, upside, and the bottom. Very clean and simple design. There's one major compartment, one smaller compartment. Both have zipper closures. Also a front open pocket with magnetic closure. Other exterior details are Ruthenian metallic pieces with Louis Vuitton engraved. Decorated with cowhide leather trim, having Louis Vuitton and LV initials engraved. There's one top handle, sturdy and well made. In the back, having 2 adjustable straps. They are padded, leather covered, and sutured with 2 lines. Very comfortable to wear, whether it's fully packed or not. About the interior, it is textile lining in black color. Also a leather tag stated Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Inside the major compartment, there's one internal iPad pocket, also good for a 13-inch laptop, and 2 internal flat pockets for your other items. It is very roomy. Let's see items I'll bring. There are 28 items I normally bring in 4 different occasions. Let's see these different packings. Packing 1 as an everyday bag. The first is essential items for everyday backpacking. In such a roomy major compartment, for easy access to my items, I have a bag organizer made by high-quality felt. My backpack interior and items inside can be both protected. Packing my essential items, wallet, cup holder, house key, sunglasses, makeup bag, agenda, pen, phone, water bottle, and umbrella. These go to the major compartment. Some essentials go to smaller compartments. 2 shopping bags, tissue papers, sanitary mask and cotton gloves, and hand sanitizer. Everyday essentials are transferable to different bags, such as my Chanel tote, Louis Vuitton Amazona bag, Louis Vuitton Speedy 30, and my trusted Lasposec shoulder bag. One useful tip is that I always carry 2 shopping bags. They can also be used as a dust bag. Keep my bag clean from a sudden rainy day or any dirt on the floor. That's it packing 2 as a work bag. On top of my essential items, adding optional items like my laptop, a book of choice, and technology bag. All contents in my work bag. That's it packing 3 as a weekender bag. Suitable for a 3 days and 2 nights weekend trip, on top of essential items, without using bag organizer, adding things like clothes, underwear, socks for 2 nights, swimwear, a thin jacket, and compact version of my toiletry bag. All contents in my weekender bag. That's it packing 4 as a carry-on luggage, on top of essential items, without using bag organizer, adding things like my camera, selfie stick, belt, multi-pocket jacket, baseball hat, and shoulder bag. All contents in my carry-on luggage. Recently, I have done a video about seasonless packing. I use a Lasposec nylon backpack as my carry-on luggage. Backpack volume of Lasposec and Louis Vuitton Apollo are the same. Items from one to the other can be 100% transferable. About maintenance, quite frankly, canvas is durable and wipeable. A microfiber towel is perfect to keep it clean, with a little bit water if needed. I use air papers to keep its shape, very light, clean, and structured. This backpack can be stored several ways. Sit in the closet with a dust bag. Since it is stuffed with air papers, very lightweight, I often hang it for easy access and shape keeping. Also, top handle and straps are all padded by cloth to be protected, like other bags in my closet. Modeling shots. I'm 5'6", 168 centimeters tall. Very happy with the backpack size. Not too big or not too small. Wearing it with weekday outfit or even with a little black dress. It goes well with both casual and semi-formal occasions. And of course, perfect for city wander traveling. Let me take you to the trip when I bought it.
number one reason that I love a backpack, it keeps me hands-free, especially when travel. And as you can see, the more I use it, the more I find it versatile. One bag with at least 4 different ways to use. We really can explore and maximize possibilities of using any bag of ours. This backpack belongs to Louis Vuitton men's line. To me, it's unisex, simple, and neutral. I do wish Louis Vuitton have more bags designed with this black and gray contrast canvas. For instance, I would definitely look forward to a Speedy 25 made by this monogram Eclipse canvas. With sentimental value, this backpack was a souvenir from my trip to Japan last year. I bought it from Louis Vuitton Seibu Ikebukuro store in Tokyo, having a wonderful and great shopping experience with my sister. Are you also a backpack lover? How do you use your backpack? Let me know in the comment section. I wish you enjoyed this video. Enjoy any bag of your choice. And please always remember that life is beautiful. You are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.